In this short, a couple hits a snag over shared plans, and one partner practices a timely apology that names the impact before defending intent. The other responds with a brief acknowledgement, then they switch to problem solving through a guided repair sequence. This approach lowers defensiveness, clarifies needs, and sets a collaborative tone for the rest of the discussion. The lesson emphasizes packing, owning impact, and choosing a specific moment to repair rather than letting resentment simmer. Viewers can try the same sequence in their next conflict to restore connection.